Have you ever wondered how your favorite cookies are made in a factory? Welcome to the intriguing world of cookie production, a realm where sugar, flour, and a dash of magic come together to create your beloved treats. From humble beginnings in home kitchens, cookie production has evolved into a finely tuned process within the walls of bustling factories. Cookies, a small but mighty part of our daily lives, bring joy to our taste buds and warmth to our hearts. So, are you ready to delve into the fascinating journey of cookie making? The journey of a cookie starts with its dough preparation. In the heart of the factory, the dough for our cookies takes shape. It's a symphony of simple ingredients, each playing a vital role. Flour, the foundation of our dough, is carefully weighed to ensure consistency. Sugar, our sweet symphony's first violin, is added next. It's not just about sweetness, though. Sugar also helps our cookies achieve that perfect golden brown hue. Next enters butter, the maestro of our melody. It lends our cookies their tender crumb and mouth-watering flavor. But what's a symphony without a rhythm section? That's where eggs come in. They bind our ingredients together and add richness to the dough. Last but not least, flavorings join the ensemble. Whether it's a dash of vanilla, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a handful of chocolate chips, these additions are the finishing touches that make each cookie unique. These ingredients are combined in large industrial mixers, machines that can knead enough dough for thousands of cookies in one go. It's a sight to behold, the ingredients blending together, each contributing to a harmonious whole. Precision is key in this process. Every ingredient must be measured accurately, every step followed to the letter. This ensures that every batch of cookies maintains the same delicious consistency, batch after batch, day after day. With our dough prepared, it's time to give our cookies their distinct shape. The next step in our cookie journey involves shaping and baking. Now that we've got our dough all mixed up, it's time to bring our cookies to life. The process of shaping the cookies can be done in a couple of different ways, depending on the type of cookie. Some cookies are cut into shapes using specially designed cutting machines. Imagine a giant cookie cutter, but instead of making one cookie at a time, it's stamping out dozens of perfect cookie shapes all at once. Other cookies are shaped using a process called extrusion. This is where the dough is forced through a shaped nozzle to create the desired form. Think of it like a big pastry bag squeezing out perfectly formed cookies, one after another. Once our cookies have their shape, it's time for them to hit the heat. They are placed on a conveyor belt that moves them through an oven. This isn't your average kitchen oven, though. It's a tunnel oven with precision temperature control to ensure that every cookie is baked to perfection. As they journey through the oven, the cookies are continuously monitored. This helps to make sure they're baking evenly and achieving that golden brown color we all know and love. It's a delicate dance of heat and timing to make sure our cookies come out just right. Freshly baked and smelling divine, our cookies are almost ready. Our cookies are baked, but the journey doesn't end here. Now, they embark on the next phase of their adventure, cooling, packaging, and distribution. Imagine a conveyor belt, a serpentine path of glistening steel where our freshly baked treats are left to cool. The cookies are carefully spread out, giving them enough space to breathe, ensuring they cool evenly. As the conveyor belt slowly moves, the cookies cool down, their delicious aromas wafting through the air. This cooling process isn't just about making the cookies easier to handle, it's where our cookies develop their final texture, where they become perfect crispy bites ready to melt in your mouth. It's a pivotal part of the cookie journey, and it's done with the utmost care and precision. Once cooled, the cookies are ready to be packaged. They're gently placed into bags or boxes, ready to be sent off. Each package is filled with the same amount of love and care that goes into every cookie we bake. The packaging serves not only as a protective layer, but also as a promise of the deliciousness that awaits within. After packaging, it's time for distribution. The cookies are loaded onto trucks, ready to be delivered to stores near and far. From the factory, they're sent on a journey to supermarkets, corner stores, and eventually to your home. And there you have it. The journey of a cookie from a factory to your home. A tale of care, precision, and love, all wrapped up in a delightful, tasty treat. So, to summarize the cookie production process, it all starts with preparing the dough, a delightful blend of flour, sugar, butter, and other ingredients. Once it's all mixed up, the dough is shaped into the cookies we all know and love, then baked until they're golden brown. After exiting the oven, the cookies are cooled and packaged, ready to be distributed far and wide. Next time you enjoy a cookie, remember the journey it has been through to reach you.